ITR-1 SAHAJ Form is an essential income tax return form for Indian citizens filing their tax returns with the Income Tax Department. The Income Tax Act, 1961, and the Income Tax Rules, 1962, obligates citizens to file returns with the Income Tax Department at the end of every financial year. These returns should be filed before the specified due date. This form is issued by the Income Tax Department of India and is an integral part of the rules laid down by the Government of India for filing income tax returns. Every income tax return form is applicable to a certain section of the Assessees, and so is the case with the ITR-1 SAHAJ form. Only those forms which are filed by the eligible Assessees are processed by the Income Tax Department of India. It is therefore imperative to know which particular form is appropriate in each case. Income tax return forms vary depending on the criteria of the source of income of the assessee and the category of the assessee. Filing of income tax returns, obligation by law. Individuals who fulfill any one of the following conditions should by law file their income tax returns during a financial year: possesses a valid credit card, pays for foreign travel either for himself or another individual, is the member of a club where entrance fees charged is 25,000 or more, occupies a particular floor area of an immovable piece of property, is the owner of a vehicle. Due date for filing returns. The due date for filing income tax for year FY 2014-15 is extended up to September 7, 2015. Eligible individuals for ITR-1 SAHAJ. Individuals who have earned their income for a financial year only through the following means are eligible to fill the ITR-1 SAHAJ form: through salary or pension, through one-house property, through other sources apart from lottery, racehorses, legal gambling, etc. In case of clubbed income tax returns, where a spouse or a minor etc. is included in the tax returns, this can be done only if their income too is limited to the specifications laid down above. Non-eligible individuals for ITR-1 SAHAJ. Individuals who are not eligible to fill the ITR-1 SAHAJ form are those who have earned income through the following means: through more than one piece of property, through lottery, racehorses, legal gambling, etc. Through non-tax exempted capital gains, short-term as well as long-term, through exempted income exceeding Rs 5,000, through business and professions. Submission of ITR-1 SAHAJ form. The form can be submitted physically at any income tax returns office. An acknowledgement receipt can be obtained upon submission. In case of electronic filing of the form, there are two alternatives. Firstly, if a digital signature is obtained, the form is uploaded online. Secondly, the form is downloaded, printed, signed, and a copy of the acknowledgement is sent by post to the Income Tax Department ITR-1 Registered Trademark S Office in Bengaluru. ITRV can now be verified online using Aadhaar card or electronic verification code. The EVC can be generated either via one-time password sent to email and registered mobile number or via net banking. After online verification, income tax assessors is not required to send ITRV to Bangalore CPC. References: File Income Tax Return. Government of India, Income Tax Department, retrieved October 29, 2012. Last date for filing income tax returns extended to August 31. Instruction of SAHAJ Income Tax Return. Government of India, Income Tax Department, retrieved October 29, 2012. Instruction of SAHAJ Income Tax Return. Government of India, Income Tax Department, retrieved October 29, 2012. Tips on filing IT returns. DNA India. July 25, 2012. Retrieved November 3, 2012. How to do electronic verification of ITRV. Income Tax Return India, July 20, 2015. Retrieved July 29, 2015. Done filing your IT returns yet? Blogger, July 27, 2015. Retrieved August 8, 2015.